Welcome back to BitcoinDorks. In today's video, we're diving into a hot topic in the cryptocurrency world, the rise of AI-based altcoins that are making waves and potentially outpacing the giants like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and even XRP in 2024. As we navigate through the dynamic shifts in the crypto market, it's crucial to stay informed about the emerging technologies and the altcoins that are setting new standards for innovation. The year 2024 is seeing a significant shift with AI-driven projects gaining traction and potentially leading the charge in the next bull run. Projects like Bitcoin, Render, Fetch.ai, Arkham, and Ocean Protocol are at the forefront of this movement, leveraging robust technological foundations to position themselves as leaders in the market. Starting with Bitcoin, also known as Tau, this platform is pioneering in decentralized machine learning networks on a blockchain. It's designed to facilitate collaborative training among various machine learning models, rewarding contributions with Tau tokens based on the value added to the network. This model not only fosters innovation but also offers a practical application in the real world, enhancing the functionality and utility of blockchain technology. Next, let's delve into the fascinating world of Render, also known as RNDR, and its revolutionary impact on digital content creation through the utilization of decentralized GPU power for rendering services. This innovative network represents a significant leap forward in the intersection of blockchain technology, artificial intelligence, and digital content creation. Render operates on a simple yet profound concept, connecting individuals or companies who require GPU power for rendering digital content with GPU owners who can provide this power. This exchange is facilitated through a decentralized network, effectively creating a peer-to-peer marketplace. The idea is not just about sharing resources but also about creating a symbiotic ecosystem where every participant benefits. For digital content creators, Render offers a scalable solution that can drastically reduce the cost and time associated with rendering complex animations and graphics. Traditionally, rendering high-quality digital content requires significant computational power, often necessitating substantial upfront investment in hardware. With Render, creators can access the power they need on demand, paying only for what they use. This democratizes the field of digital content creation, making it accessible to more creators regardless of their budget or hardware limitations. Render's impact extends beyond individual creators and GPU owners. By facilitating more efficient and accessible rendering, Render is poised to drive innovation in the AI and digital content industries. For instance, AI developers can use Render to generate training datasets or to create simulations, tasks that require substantial computational resources. The technological infrastructure of Render is both innovative and complex. It involves not just blockchain technology but also advanced scheduling algorithms to efficiently match rendering jobs with available GPU power. Ensuring the security and reliability of these transactions is paramount, as is maintaining the integrity and confidentiality of the rendered content. Fetch.ai, represented by its cryptocurrency token FET, stands as a notable venture in the evolving landscape of blockchain and AI technologies. The project is ambitiously constructing a decentralized network designed to facilitate the operation of autonomous software agents that perform a wide array of tasks. These tasks range from routine e-commerce transactions to complex operations within blockchain environments, showcasing the platform's versatility and broad application scope. At the heart of Fetch.ai's innovation is its aim to revolutionize the digital economy by automating and optimizing processes through the use of autonomous agents. These agents are programmed to act independently, make decisions in real time, and interact with both humans and other agents in an efficient and trustless manner. The platform's main components are the Autonomous Economic Agents, EAs, which are digital entities residing on the Fetch.ai network. These EAs can represent a person, a service, or a device, and are equipped with AI capabilities that enable them to conduct transactions and negotiations autonomously. This feature is particularly transformative for industries reliant on complex supply chains and logistics, as it offers a more synchronized and responsive approach to demand and supply management. Fetch.ai leverages cutting-edge technologies including artificial intelligence, machine learning, and blockchain to create a secure and decentralized environment where these autonomous agents operate. This integration allows the agents to learn from interactions and improve over time, thereby increasing their efficiency and effectiveness in executing tasks. The implications of such a system are profound for the digital economy. By automating tasks that traditionally require human intervention, Fetch.ai reduces the potential for human error and increases the speed of service delivery. This efficiency not only cuts costs but also enhances user satisfaction by providing more responsive and tailored services. Additionally, the decentralization aspect of Fetch.ai mitigates the risks associated with centralized data storage, such as data breaches or unfair data manipulation. As Fetch.ai continues to develop and expand its network, it faces both opportunities and challenges. The potential to scale up operations and integrate with other blockchain and AI technologies presents vast opportunities for growth. However, the platform must also navigate the complexities of technology integration, ensure the scalability of its network, and maintain a high standard of security to protect user data and transactions. In conclusion, Fetch.ai represents a significant step forward in the application of AI and blockchain technology to create a more automated, efficient, and secure digital economy. The deployment of autonomous agents across various sectors could potentially transform how businesses and consumers interact, leading to a more interconnected and intelligent digital marketplace. As the technology matures, Fetch.ai could become a pivotal player in driving the adoption of AI in everyday business and consumer applications, promising a future where digital transactions are more seamless and economies are more robustly connected. Thanks for watching today's deep dive into the exciting world of AI-based altcoins on BitcoinDorks. Until next time.